well, carnage in the camper. That's what I'm going to call it. There's my thumbnail right there. Anyway, so the diesel leak was all over this bit here on the floor, thanks to the battery, thanks to my stupidity not taking these tiny little caps out. And when I say tiny, this is in a right mess. I've not been able to do anything because of graft, but that's how it is. That's life. Look, see these little tiny little holes here? There, right? There's one on there, one on the other side. Tiny little plastic cap in there. It said removed thingy caps. I just thought it meant them. So over, like, just literally built up, and I got a leak. So the leak basically spilt onto my electrics, and not just the electrics but also the diesel heater, ate through the tube, and I ended up with diesel all over that section there and that bit that went up there. Hey ho. So long story short, everything that had diesel on I've just ripped out. So I thought while I'm at it, a couple of things that I wasn't too keen on was the height of the bed, especially with the luxury sort of cushions on the, it goes to about there. I can just get my feet down, so anyone else doesn't stand a chance. So I'm going to lower this basically down to about there, so all this will come off, cut it. Tell you what, the actual height, I'm going to drop it. Yes, that is a toilet that's never been used. It's when we went away, Kaz wanted a toilet just in case, and we didn't need it. So I'm going to take it down, probably one of those heights. Green paint from work today. I'm not turning into the Grinch, far from it. So I'm going to cut all that down. I bought the floor to replace that. I'll sit on top of there. I'm going to cut that to size. I'm going to change the front slightly. I'm going to just put one single seat in. If I can get one and a swivel on the bottom to turn it into a captain's chair, brill. If not, don't matter. I'm going to have the bench going across the back, right the way across to probably in line with that. And that'll give more storage, more seating space. I'm going to take that off there and I'm going to put it on the end of this desk here to make more of a bench space there when I'm cooking. And I'll do something about a different table. So I've got loads to do and zero time to do it. This weekend I'm off, so I'm going to smash into it. It's Friday tea time now. I finished it 3:30 today and it's lovely and warm and sunny. October 18th, beautiful day. Weird. So I'm just going to crack on. You see, there's quite a bit to do. Gutted, I'm still gutted, man, but hey, drop this down. I'm going to be so much more happier with that lower seat, sort of seat and bed. So I'll just have to chop that down a bit, drop this down, drop this down. Really, I want to be playing out in this bad boy. Oh, no, I haven't got time. Right, so far I've just took the framework out, stripped the bed out, and I've marked it for where it all needs to come, where I'm going to cut it down to. So you can see on that red marker there how much I'm actually going to drop the bed. So it's going to be much better, much more comfortable seating position for everybody. So there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Take the positives there. Yeah, I've just ordered a new table, so proper dandy one. So I'm picking that up tomorrow. So I'm going to call it a night. It's 20 to 6, just starting to get dark. Sayonara.